First, take 250 grams of minced mutton and grind it onto smooth paste. After grinding it, take it into a bowl. Now add 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon jeera powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, a half tablespoon turmeric powder, a half tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, onions, green chilies, coriander. Mix everything together. Add 1 tablespoon chili powder. Cover it with cling wrap and marinate it for 20 minutes. Unwrap it after 20 minutes. Now take little by little and make balls. You will get something like this. Similarly, make rest of them. It's pretty easy. You can make as many as you can depending on the sizes. I got 10 keema balls. So our keema balls are ready. Let's go to fry them. First, put some oil in the pan. Drop the keema balls one by one. Fry it till it becomes golden brown. After frying one side, flip it over and fry it another side. After frying two sides, it's done. Take them in the tissue paper so that oil is absorbed to the paper. Garnish it with some coriander, onions, and lemon. And that's pretty much it. Dip it in the sauce and enjoy. It's super tasty. Hope you like this video. Make sure to try it in your home and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Believe Cooking. Make sure to check other videos. Hope you like them.